First of all, I'm sorry for what I've made, but this is how you can create Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm just so impressed. Let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything, and I did use some VIP items for this. For the hair, I just used this buzz cut in FFC 142. I also used that for the skin color. Use this one from the this one here in the same yellow and metallic. Position the X to 0.75, Y 0.74, Z 0.59. Rotate the X to 0.52, Y 0.58, Z 0.62. Grab the bunny ears in that same color in metallic, X 0.45, Y 0.37, Z 0.52. Rotate the X to 0.48, Y 0.58, Z 0.51, and scale it to 0.27. You do need VIP for this because I did use the robotic arms and I just colored everything that same color. Like so. For the top, I did use the brat top here in white and pink. I did use F64181 and I also used those for the shorts. Second preview, color that in silk or in metallic maybe. And then I also used the gloves in short, no fur, and the yellow metallic. I'll do foil actually. For the shoes, I used the April Fool's code, which is this one in orange. Okay, I don't think you can add material to that. And then I added these socks, same orange and metallic. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.